Hi, Madison. This is one sweet little puppy. And being the puppy that she is, she literally follows me everywhere. She still thinks it's okay to jump up, of course. She needs a whole heap of training, but she's just the right age for it. And have you ever seen such a cutie pie? Yeah, even when she's taking care of her pressing personal business, she's still a cutie pie. Now, I believe they're calling you a shepherd mix, and there's probably some shepherd in there somewhere. Let's see. There's probably no poodle in there, and I don't think there's any pit bull. Probably no greyhound. Definitely no Chihuahua or Chow. No Cocker Spaniel. No Yorkshire Terrier. But seriously, just about any of the larger short-haired type dogs could be in there. Could be a touch of Dobie. I love Dobies. This is a very lovable girl. Oh, look at that. Look at that. She sits and she waves. Oh, what a sweetie pie. Oh, you know, if I were a younger person, I think I would snap this girl up, but I'm not sure I have the patience or possibly even the longevity to take on a dog who's under a year old and might live 15 years. But isn't she a sweetie pie?